What is up, guys? My name is Ahmad Main. Today has come that I am going to be doing a speed test on one of my cars, and this in particular, which is going to be cha-ching. This this right here is my turbocharged 2008 Cadillac Escalade ESV. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so here we go. Start off over here, and yeah, I'll give you a run around my car, and yeah. Oh god dang it. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the interior. Yeah, you see that? You see that? Yeah, this is my turbocharged Cadillac Escalade ESV, and yeah. And you noticed all the snow that's on here from which the editor did not update the one area that I drove it onto. So yeah. Oh shoot. Yeah, so like here goes. Yeah. Yeah, this is like modified with the V12. You know, if you guys get what I mean. Um yeah. Yeah, I have turbocharged the heck out of this thing, and watch. See how it's going up to speed right now? Yeah, you saw how it went up to speed, right? And as you see, we're already like this thing goes pretty fast. I'll, I'll tell you guys that right now. And yeah. Shit! Damn it! I literally slammed into the wall. Cause like, dang, steering is bad on this thing, man. I mean, I might have to try tuning the steering on this thing, but right now I have to get this thing fixed. Shoot. Dang it. Oh, there it goes. Yep. Here goes. On the highway it goes. So, yeah. This thing is, trust me, I turbocharged this thing, so yeah. And Oh crap. So yeah, there goes. You seeing how fast this thing is going? Like, I've literally turbocharged the crap out of this thing. And yeah, so like, this thing goes pretty fast. Like, as you can see, we're like zooming right now. Like, oh shoot, skirt. Oh crap. We're approaching a dang curve ahead of us. And, dude, we're literally like ahead of the entire day, dude. Holy Lord. This this can go pretty much up to top speeds. Like right here. I think the developer of this game should like literally like put in a feature where you could like control the weather, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, put a weather feature in this game, you know what I'm saying? Like, for real. Like, watch. Oh shoot. Ooh. Whoa, this thing is way too big to be speeding on such small roads. And yeah. And Rain, watch. Watch what I can do. This is what I can do right here. Oh my god. Bingo, you see what I mean? How fast the thing goes? Oh shoot. Oh my god. Um, God damn it. I hope I don't get a damn copyright on this thing. Oh my god. Um, yeah. Hell with the speed limit. I'll just That shit. And I'm trying to stay in the lane, but like, it's because of all these. I'm fucking tired of it. Get the fuck out of here, piece of shit. Get the fuck out of the door. Oh shoot. Yeah, we're gonna have to take this. Alrighty, guys. Now this concludes the part where I drive around and take and basically, you know what I'm saying, like basically slam the gas pedal in my turbocharged Escalade ESV Cadillac. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bring out my Chrysler 300 SRT8, and yeah, well, in which I've actually done a turbo modification on that car, and yeah, so yeah, let's go ahead and I'll be right back. All right, now I am in. All right, so yeah, we are about to go ahead and do a turbo test on my 2011 Chrysler 300 SRT8 modified with the V12 engine and triple turbo V12. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1, now. Oh, we are already hitting. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, I'm trying to make sure I don't hit the highway boundaries, you know what I'm saying? And I might end up here. I might have to put the camera like this, you know what I'm saying? Damn. I like that. Watch the shit. Right now, get the fuck. Speedy ass car. What? See, look at this. And this right here can go dude, talk about a freaking look at that. Talk about a speedy ass Chrysler. Talk about inventing the most fastest Chrysler in the freaking game in the world. Oh shoot, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh skirt. All right. Yeah, this thing goes real fast. Yeah. So like anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and don't forget to share this video with others. Same with this channel. And yeah. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good day.